कितनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर कंटेंट ने, हर वेंचर्स ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है। कहते हैं किसी चीज को, दैट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, किसी चीज को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुमको उस चीज के मिलाने की साजिश में लग जाती है। सो थैंक यू सो मच। दिस वन इज ऑब्वियसली आई dedicate this and to all the ones that is coming now, to my lovely daughter Tia. So whoever is on my Instagram knows Tia. So it is, you know, the world has obviously become the beautiful place after her birth, and this particular entrepreneur award is, you know, dedicated to all that sleepless nights, all that doubtful things that, oh, whether this venture will do good or not, or whether co-working will hit in Rajkot or not, or whether the content about this digital real estate he must be knowing that will work here or not. And you know, to all those believers, I will say that believe in yourself, and of course whatever you have dreamed, whatever you have planned will become true. And also I want to dedicate this to all my lovely Instagram and social media family. You know, because those people, you know, મને તો કોઈ દિવસ algorithm ની પડી જ નથી. Because you know, irrespective of whichever content, you know, I make, my Instagram family, the social media family showers unlimited love. And just one suggestion, to be authentic, stay who you are. Many of times, you know, તમને એમ થશે કે કેમ નથી થતું, but authenticity speaks for itself. So once again, thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm a king, but I pop, I'm a saint. They call me a bad man, that's a fucking good thing. Mama said swing back when another man swings, so I make my mama proud and they make their heads ring.